So question 1 is how many different combinations of one AC and one remote each can be formed from the given ACs and remotes. So here as you can see, actually there are 5 ACs and 3 remotes. Okay, so combinations, it will include the multiplication of number of AC and number of remotes. So let us do the multiplication. So total combinations we will get from this, that is total combinations will be 5 into 3 is equal to 15. See, very simple. So correct option for this question is option B. So question number 2 is which of the following squares must be shaded so that the given figure becomes symmetrical along the dotted line. Here as you can see in 4 squares P, Q, R, S it is given. So let us start first with P. So what we will do, we will color this particular square. And now we will check if both the sides are becoming symmetrical or not after coloring this particular square. So let us see. We will exclude the colored squares. And let us see if line is crossing, is it making 2 equal halves on both the sides. So yes, it is. As you can see here, this 2, this 2, this 2, this is symmetrical. So which box we have to shade, right? That is the P. So correct option here, C. Okay, right? This, that is, we shaded P and we got the answer, right? But like that you have to shade. If P was not the answer, then next you can go for Q, R, S likewise. So correct option here for question number 2 is option C. So question number 3 is find the missing number if same rule is followed in all the 3 figures. We have to find out the relationship between these numbers which are given in triangle. So let us first number the triangles. So now let us find out the relationship among numbers in triangle number 1. Here we can say that 7 and 21, there is a relationship, that is 7 3s are 21. Now let us find out if there is any relationship between either 7 or 147 or 21 or 147 or among these 3. So how we can find out? We can divide the biggest number with the smallest number. So let us try, children. Okay, 147 divided by 7. So what we will do? 7 2s are 14 and 7 1s are 7. So which number we got? 21. 21 is there. So here we can say that there is definitely relationship among these 3 numbers. If we are multiplying these 2 numbers 7 and 21, we will get 147. Or either we are dividing this biggest number with the smallest one, then we are getting the third number. So likewise, let us see if this same rule is applied to triangle number 2 or not. Again, we will divide the biggest number with the smallest one. So here we got the number again, 18. So there is same rule is applied in triangle 1 and triangle 2. So definitely the same rule is going to be applied to triangle 3 as well. So here to find out the question mark, what we have to do? We have to divide 138 with 6. 138 divide by 6. So 6 2s are 12, 18, 6 3s are 18. So which number we got? 23. That is your option B. So correct option for this question, it is going to be your option B. So let us start with question number 4. In a certain code language, if danger is written as A, D, E, G and R, then how will master be written in the same code language? So here we have to understand that what code language has been used in this word, that is danger. So let us write danger and decoded one, that is A, D, E, G, N, R. So here children, as you will see, letters of this particular spelling has been arranged in alphabetical order. So it is very simple. So now let us arrange the master. Let us write master first. Okay, so first letter it is A. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. So this should be our answer. A, E, M, then T. So no, this option will not work. Okay, here A, E, M is not there. This is not the correct option. This is not the correct option. Okay, so A, E, M, R, S, T. Perfect. So correct option is option D. So for question number 4, correct option is option D. Question number 5 is select the correct water image of the given word. Water image, right? That is a mirror image. Mirror image means it will be completely opposite of this letters. So let us try to make mirror image of this letter by ourselves. C and H will remain same. So now this word we have to find out like this image is present in which option. Okay, so as you can see W, A, right? It is like this in first two options. Here it is not there, here W is not there. Okay, so these two options will not come. Now T, here T is not correct. Okay, T is correct in option B. And C and H, it is going to remain same. So correct option B. Okay, so correct option is option B for question number 5. So question number 6 is, which of the following Venn diagrams best represent the relationship amongst professors, doctors and women? And answers are given in circles. So let us first take 3 circles: professor, doctor and women. Okay, so how can be the relationship? So there is a possibility that women can be professors, okay, women can be doctors, and women can be both professors as well as doctors. Right, all the 3 possibilities are there. So if we want to show these possibilities with the help of Venn diagram, then how can we draw, right? That is, they can be professors and doctors, right? Women can only be professors, women can only be doctors, women can be professor and doctor as well. So correct option is C, option C. Question number 7 is, Rashi is facing north. She turns 135 degree clockwise and then 270 degree anti-clockwise. In which direction is she facing now? So first we need to understand what is clockwise and what is anti-clockwise. So let us quickly revise. If this is a clock, right, then here to here, this direction will be your clockwise, and opposite direction, right, it will be anti-clockwise. Correct? Let us understand the directions. So this is north, south, west, east. Okay, so this is going to be northeast, this is southeast, southwest and northwest. She is facing north. So right now she is facing north. She turns 135 clockwise. Okay, so she is turning in this direction. Now 135, if we see here, then this east, right, it is at 90 degree. So 135, and this south, it is 180 degree. Okay, so it should be between east and south. When she turns 135 clockwise, means now she is facing your southeast direction. Then 270 degree anti-clockwise. So from here, now she is again turning in this direction. That from southeast to northwest, here it is 180 degree. Okay, we are taking southeast as a starting point. So this is 180 degree. 270 means 180 plus 90. This forms a 90 degree angle. Now she is facing southwest direction. So correct answer is southwest direction. So for this question, correct option is option D. So question number 8 is, some letters are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 as given below. Arrange the given letters to form a meaningful English word and select the correct option. Now here, as you can see, in all the options, they have given the order of numbers 1 method is just by looking at the letters. If something is coming in your mind, that is the best thing that we can do, so we can save time. But if you are not able to follow through, we can take all the options one by one and try to form word. So option A, number 4, it is N, number 2 S, likewise I, R, 5 is E, 1 is G. This is not forming a word, so this is not the correct option. Option B is 2, 6, 4, 1, 5, 3. Okay, so 2, 6, 4, 1, 5 and 3. Yes, this is a word, single. Now usually what happens, children, right, that among the 4 options, any one option is correct. So you can stop here because we have to save time also. So we got our answer. So correct option, it is going to be your option B. But if you want to check other options also, right, just to confirm, so let us quickly decode the other options also. So the correct option is option B. Question number 9 is, which of the following options will complete the given figure pattern? Now children, we have to keep in mind that definitely one of this type of question comes in exam. Then it is very easy to solve. So what we will do, right, in this question, let us try to draw. Now as you can see here, first of all, right, that these two parts are given, this one and this one, right, and as you can see they both are similar. So opposite patterns match. So let us try to make the similar pattern of this one. So here it will be shaded, okay. Then here as you can see, one triangle is like this, it is again shaded. One circle is there, that is also shaded. If we take this square, as you can see here, this is not shaded, here all are shaded, this is not shaded, this is not shaded. Correct option for this question is option B. So question number 10 is, select the odd one out. Now if you will see, one thing is common in all the 4 options, they all are in alphabetical order. If we take option A, P, S, V. So what are the missing alphabets here? It is P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. There are no missing alphabets in between. Here as you can see, only single alphabet. Option A, B and D, they follow the same pattern, right, which is not followed by option C. So we have to pick odd one out. So correct option for this question is option C. Question number 11 is, find the number of squares in the given figure. So first of all, whatever squares we are seeing, we will number those squares. Here is one square, this is 13, another square, 14, another square, 15. If you will see here, right, this one is there, 16, this one is there, 17. So total is 17. Option C is the correct option for question number 11. Question number 12 is, if all the symbols are removed from the given arrangement, then which of the following elements will third to the left of fifth element from the right hand? This question looks very confusing, right? So let us break the question. So first of all, we have to remove all the symbols. So one task is completed, right? Now let us move to the other half of the question. Then which of the following elements will third to the left of the fifth element from the right hand? So first of all, let us understand this is your right hand and this is left hand. We have to find out the fifth element first from the right hand. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Which will be the third to the left of this fifth element? Okay, that is our question, children. So now left side we have to move and I have to find out the third element. So 1, 2 and 3. So third element from the fifth element from right hand. So that is number 5. So correct option here it is option B. Question number 13 is, there is a certain relationship between the pair of figures on the either side of double colon. Identify the relationship on the left pair and find the missing figure. So here we have to understand the relationship first of all on the left hand side of the figure. Both are squares, but the position of both the squares are completely different. Now here if we see, let us take first figure as a reference figure, then this figure has been rotated counterclockwise 3 times. On the point 1 time, on the side 1 time, on the point 1 time. But with this we have to understand also that the diagonals intersecting line of a square, it is always at 45 degree. Because when we are going to solve for triangles, it will not be that much easy as square. So here this part is also important. So if we follow this principle, then as a result we are getting this diagram. So if same principle is followed for the triangle, we will get this diagram, that is option A. So correct option for question number 13 will be option A. Question number 14 is, Prerna's father has to attend a press conference on 5th day from 2nd Friday of June 20XX. On which date did Prerna's father attend the conference? Now here we have to understand one word, that is from 2nd Friday. So first Friday is 2nd June and second Friday is 9th June. Now from 2nd Friday means we have to consider 2nd Friday as first day. So if we write numbers, which day, that is the 5th day from 2nd Friday. So 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on 5th day means on this day. So our answer is 13th June, that is option C. So correct option for this question is option C. Children, from word is very much important in this question. If it was after 2nd Friday, then we have to take Saturday as the first day. But as it is from, then Friday we have to consider the first day. Question number 15 is, arrange the given words in a meaningful logical order and select the correct option. Education, number 2 job, 3 child and 4 infant. So as we look at the option, they have given the order of numbers. We have to make a logical order. So if we look at the options from 1 to 4, we can see that they have given the order in age-wise manner. Okay, infant, child, job and education. So age-wise, what comes first? That is first infant. After that infant becomes child. Child takes education. And after education, adult takes job. So logically, this is the correct order. So which option has this order? That is option C. So correct option for question number 15 is option C. And with this, we finish the logical reasoning part of this maths paper. So let's meet in next video.